Hello students, this video is focused on business risk. All the business firms face certain amount of risk, and these risks are part and parcel of any organization. When you talk about risk, that means it can be in form of any type that may arise in the business, and they have to face all those risks in order to make profit. Any firm who is not taking the risk will not be able to make any gains or profit in the organization. So here is the description of the following terms. First, that is risk. Second, that is the management of risk. Third, the business risk itself. Risk is the possibility of any financial loss, whereas management of risk is the management of the risk in order to achieve profit. And the business risk, that is the probability of failure or loss. All the business must say that they are ready to take the risk so that they are able to gain profit out of the activities. Here we have now the business risk in a complete form. Here it is said, business risk refers to the possibility of inadequate profits or losses which comes as uncertainties into the business. All business organization must always work in order to make risk as a profitable effort into the business. Any business who is not taking risk will not be able to make any gain into any type of activity involved into them by them. Now we have types of risk. These risks can be divided into two parts, speculative and pure. Speculative means something that is predictable. Pure means something that is arising out of its natural form. Speculative may be done in advance, or they can be planned or prepared well to be fought upon, whereas pure risk cannot be judged priorly. They come as they come, and you have to tackle in the organization in order to succeed. We now move to the nature of business risk. The business risks are always uncertain, unavoidable, variable, and depend on the nature of business. Here you see they're always unpredictable. You cannot avoid them. The degree of the risk always vary with the type of business you are doing, and the profit is also a consideration in the risk taking. That means profit is always a reward when you take the risk. We now move on to the causes of business risk. Here you can see there are two causes, natural and human. Natural is arising out of natural situations. That means the nature, drought, famine, flood, earthquake is a part of natural calamities. Other thing is the seasonal change. That means any change in the weather may affect the demand. Any geographical changes, geological changes may also affect the business risk. The second part here says the human causes. The human causes means the dishonesty of employees, the dishonesty of customers, any kind of strikes or lockouts, or the customers being reluctant to work for the organization's benefit, or they're not liking to buy the product of the firm or your business. That means you'll not be able to make any kind of gains from those kinds of customers or employees or any kind of people associated with you. So here you can see the other two causes now. First is the economic, second is the other cause. Economic means change in fashion, change in pricing technology, change in competition, or any additional facilities provided to the consumers. Means if the economy is not working as per your business terms, you need to work upon it. You have to make competitive, technological and fashionable changes. You also have to manage the firm in a better manner so that those risks can be avoided and the firm can gain profit out of the activities. I hope I'm able to make you understand that all business requires risk, and if you don't take risk, you won't succeed. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good time.